So here's the mess so far. Shore power lines, well, really all the main equipment lines, power lines, the AC lines for the AC circuits, and then also the DC circuits there on the other side of the box. All those are run, but all I have left, again, I've got all the ACs, the outlets, the DC outlets as well, and lines for the DC gear. All I have left then still is to run a DC line for the ceiling fan, the roof vent fan. I also need to run the B circuit power line, which is this one coming right, going that way, that red line. I got to run the B circuit line for the lights, because those are controlled by that power switch and light switch panel there. That's the B circuit. And again, the B circuit runs from the battery bank, the cabin or house battery bank, whatever you call it. So that'll run up here to the box. So monitor lines, fan line, and the B circuit for the lights power line. Once that's done, oh boy, it's gonna be time to pull the lines. Well, I'm gonna have to run some glue. I'll run glue on the 2x4 posts. Then we'll lift the board slowly, pull the lines through, press the board, then we'll screw it in place, and that'll be a permanently mounted and I believe really strong wall. Strong wall board, what you call it, for the power center. Okay, so I have the remote on-off switch. The remote on-off switch is wired. That's for the Phoenix inverter. It's just an on-off switch remote. The larger panel there on the top, that's the multi-control panel for the Multi-Plus 2 inverter charger, the larger one, obviously. And then this round remote here is also a monitor for the BMV712, which is the smart shunt, which again monitors the battery, all kinds of stats on the battery and input, output, kind of current, etc. Have all the necessary, all the necessary AC. I have one or two more DC cables to run to the box. So once I double check all this, we'll be ready to put the board in place. Okay, stage 2. I've got all my wires run through all the holes they need to go through. And lots of work to do now as far as finishing outlets over there, USB chargers, Wi-Fi shelf's gonna go there. It still has to be put together. And then of course just finish feeding everything over the frame back here. Good to go. All right, it's time to tackle my electrical mess of spaghetti. If I ever have to make any repairs again, most wires on the back of this board are loose enough that I can run new ones through by tagging them onto the old ones and pulling them through. Otherwise, that's it. If I have to cut a hole one day, I'll cut a hole, but for now, time to figure out the spaghetti.